So this is Charlie. He is a Type 25 camper. He looks awesome. Now he's undergoing a full restoration at the moment. I love these. I kept these on there. I needed an idea for the interior panels, and Pete came up with a really cool idea. So we visited Bag World at Bespoke Bags in Redditch.
It's embroidered.
Yeah. That's just, yeah, but it just looks so good. Colin has appeared with Drew Pritchard from Salvage Hunters on the TV several times. I think that this is going to be a fantastic idea for an interior for my camper.
We actually got the grain of the seats to match
the
pattern on his seats. This is our...
Smells amazing, doesn't it?
These are all of our hides. So lots and lots of colours. They're all from Italy with the DB11. And he'd got a metallic bronze DB11, so we got a metallic hide to match.
Beautiful.
Yeah, yeah. And then this is our twin needle machine. When we're doing car luggage, then Joe will cut all that by hand.
Gosh.
So you'll get the hide on the table and mark it all up by hand, so you get the best usage out of the hide.
Yeah.
And then we've got all of our patterns there for every car we do. We make a set of patterns, and then you'll see that once we've cut a set of luggage, then it will go for embroidery, and then the girls.
That's amazing.
And then the girls will make the bags up from start to finish. So all these are either waiting for the embroidery to come back. It's all cut and ready to go then.
Gosh.
That is what we've got.
Right.
We've got to do. Now, we've got 2 door cards on at the moment, which have got the original.
So as you can see, these are the panels, the interior panels that I need to cover. And this is the material that I've chosen. The blue basket weave, which is going to look awesome. And then this orange, which has a texture as well. I just think they're going to be amazing. So if you'd like to know how this turns out, please subscribe, please follow, because it is going to be an awesome restoration. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video in the next few days.